Just going on, guys? Josh here from Last One Studios 45, and today I was just a quick tutorial on how to do cloning. It's how we do cloning anyway, in VSDC, the free version, because that's what most people want. So the free version is a much easier way to do it in the pro version, but here it's free. So yeah. So real fast, actually, I want to do a quick update for Lost Ones Productions. Blood Money is in the making. We're editing it now, and editing takes a lot longer than filming. So we're working on that, and after it's depending on whenever we can start filming again, at least Blood Money, it will be postponed for a while. Of course, it shouldn't be that long. Hopefully not. And while it is postponed, we're bringing back one of the series, Spec Ops Vengeance. Spec Ops Vengeance, I think, is a really good series, and I have some great plans for it. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Goodness gracious. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and click Add Video. Now, please don't get mad at me if you're not familiar with VSDC. It's kind of complicated. Alright, so I'll go ahead and load in your footage. I have 3 things here, and go here and just click Add to Layer. Now, as you can see, it loads them in as 3 separate clips all in the timeline, but we don't want that. So take one of the clips and put it below, put them all in the timeline as so. And you can do this with 2 clips, you can do it with 1 clip, depending on how you filmed it. So let's go and get into it now. See, as you can see, this top one right here, it's on the highest layer, so it's going to show that. But you know, it's all, you can't see the other ones. So we'll go ahead and click Crop Tools. We'll right click, go to Crop Tools, and click Custom Region. Now, since we're on the left side of the screen, we would go to the right side and crop it as much as possible. Preferably, maybe somewhere right there, right here. As you can see, it moves it to the middle, and we don't want that either. So let's go and drag that back over here. Now, as you can also see, it's showing both clips, which is awesome. Now, also, as you can see, we don't have the 3rd clip in there. So you want to go and click on the middle clip right here, which for me is layer 3. So right click on that, go to Crop Tools, Custom Region, and we'll go ahead and just crop out this side. Go right here, as close as possible, just so you can get extra space if it's needed. So now we'll go ahead and move that over here, like so. And as you can see also, that all the clips are meshed together. Now, as you can see in here, it's not very sunny and there aren't very many shadows. That is what I recommend personally for any time you're doing cloning, because otherwise it'll look very noticeable that you cloned, because the sun, certain parts of the clip will be cutting itself out, and you don't want that, because you want it to seem like it's actually all there, because who doesn't, you know? So yeah, alright. So there we have it. Really, that's all to it. That's all there is to it. But yeah, here's how we do it. And if this wasn't terribly helpful for you, let me know what kind of video editor you do, and I'll try to find out a way to do it with that one. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. And this is just another camera trick that we like to use in our filming because of the lack of actors. So anyway, I'll let you guys go. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if it was helpful.